Man. This world is getting terrible with all tassegp oplærer IF undlyd af was a solution to this iknov. ILL become homophobic.
Well, this is going well, isn't it, Pest?
I don't really care. At least we settled with each other. Even after I tried to kill you.
Hey. Are you two dating?
Not really. We're just living together.
Oh, that's good to know because I am homophobic.
Phineas, how dare you tell US that you're homophobic? That's IT. I'm calling Lobro.
No, please, don't call him.
Too late. I'm already calling him.
Many minutes later.
Well, look who it is. The one and only bigot, homophobic man, Phineas.
Please, I can explain. Please let me stay in this job.
Nope, don't want to hear it. You are fired from this job. Go home right now.
Wow. I cannot believe that I got fired from PTU moderation. You know what? That's IT. I am making my own version of PTU and ILL get my ring.
The next day.
Ah. Just another day of PTU moderation. I'm sure nothing can go wrong.
Mani p-oplærer allerede downloading my mod. What do you want?
Phineas. How dare you create your own version of PTU, that's so it. I am killing you.
Stop ET. ET heard so.
Serves him right.